Hi everyone, welcome to this week. For this week, you just have your midterm exam. With the midterm, I've made some changes because I know we're doing a lot of assignments. We've been doing a lot of discussions. So what I did with the midterm is just going to cover 20 multiple choice questions. So I know in the previous week I put there'll be short answer and maybe some problems. I think I'm sufficed with just having the multiple choice. And the reason is we're doing a lot of other things, and I think I'd rather just have more of an objective test. Okay? All right, so let's go over the midterm and what you might see. A business being separate and distinct from the owners is an integral part of what? Next question. Valuing inventory at the lower cost or market is an application of what? Question 3. The realization principle leads accountants to usually recognize revenue at what point? Question 4. The assumption that deals with when to recognize the costs that are associated with revenue that is being recognized is looking at what concept? Question 5. The most significant current source of generally accepted accounting principles is what? What board? Question 6. What board or organization has the federal law that's responsible to adopt auditing standards? Question 7. I'm going to give you a list of 5 auditing opinions. Which one is not a type of audit? Question 8. In addition to the balance sheet, the income statement, and the statement of cash flows, a complete set of financial statements must include what information? Question 9 is going to be a multiple choice question trying to solve for what is retained earnings at the end of the year. Question 10, ownership of debt instruments of the government and other companies can be readily converted to cash or best reported as what? Question 11, which of the following is not a proper use of notes? Question 12, treasury stock is best classified as what? Question 13, which of the following accounts would not be classified as intangible? Question 14 is another solving. What is the ending inventory? Question 15, if a firm consolidates subsidiaries that are not wholly owned, an income statement item is created that is termed what? Question 16, which of the following will not affect retained earnings? Question 17, another example, maybe a problem, and I want to know the reduction of retained earnings as a result of the declaration. Okay? Declaration of the dividend. Next question is looking at liquidity ratios. What are they used to do? Next question. Annual statement studies reported the following figures for manufacturers of screw machine products. So what you're going to look at, I'm going to give you 3 current ratios. Which best describes what those ratios mean? Question 20. If investor company owns 20% of the stock of investee company, and investee company reports profits of $100,000, then what is the equity income of the $100,000 that they earned? So that will be your midterm exam. You get 2 hours. You got 20 questions to complete. I've seen some scores. People do well usually on it. And I know you guys will too. And also, if you can send back those responses as well about the class, I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions, let me know.